Have you ever wondered why purchase orders are such a critical component in the business world? They're more than just a piece of paper or a digital document. They serve as a legally binding contract between buyers and sellers, outlining what goods or services are being purchased, at what price, and under what terms. But how exactly does this process work in Dynamics 365, a leading business management solution? The purchase order process in D365 is a systematic series of steps that provides a seamless and efficient way of managing purchases. Here's how it works. The first step is the creation of the purchase order. This is where the buyer documents what they wish to purchase, including the quantity and agreed-upon price. It's crucial to note that this step involves a lot of detail, as it sets the foundation for the entire purchase order. Next, the purchase order is sent to the vendor. It's essential that the vendor receives and acknowledges the order, as this affirms that they understand the terms and are capable of fulfilling them. Once the vendor has acknowledged the order, the next step is confirmation. This involves the vendor confirming that they can supply the goods or services as per the terms outlined in the purchase order. After confirmation, the vendor goes ahead to fulfill the order. This involves supplying the goods or services as per the agreed terms. On receipt of the goods or services, the buyer examines them to ensure they meet the agreed terms and conditions. If the goods or services are up to par, the buyer then accepts them. This acceptance signifies that the buyer is satisfied with the goods or services supplied. The final step in the D365 purchase order process is invoicing and payment. The vendor sends an invoice to the buyer, who then processes payment as per the agreed terms. This completes the purchase order process. So, to recap, the D365 purchase order process is a systematic series of steps that starts with the creation of the purchase order, followed by sending it to the vendor, confirmation from the vendor, fulfillment of the order, acceptance by the buyer, and finally, invoicing and payment. This process provides a clear and efficient way to manage purchases, ensuring that both parties are clear on what is expected and when. It also provides a legal framework that protects both the buyer and the seller, making it an essential tool in the business world. That's it for today. Remember, a well-managed purchase order process is a key to efficient and successful business management. So next time you're dealing with purchase orders, consider the benefits of using a systematic approach like the one provided by Dynamics 365.